If you're wondering how to validate SSL/TLS security using Tenable, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps to make sure your website's SSL/TLS certificates are secure and trusted with Tenable. Stick around till the end, because we've got an exclusive bonus that will help you get started with Tenable at no cost. Now, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is set up Tenable scanning tools. These tools allow you to quickly identify SSL/TLS vulnerabilities by scanning your website or network to check for common misconfigurations or outdated certificates. Tenable Scanner will give you an overview of your SSL/TLS status, pointing out any weak points that could potentially be exploited by attackers. Next thing, focus on the CV database. Tenable constantly updates its repository with known vulnerabilities. By leveraging this database, you can cross-reference your SSL/TLS configuration to see if it matches any of the known vulnerabilities. This ensures that you're not only up to date, but also proactively addressing potential issues before they become a threat. The third thing, once your scan is complete, you'll get a detailed report showing any vulnerabilities found. But Tenable doesn't stop there. It gives you actionable insights, meaning you'll know exactly what needs fixing. Whether it's a weak encryption algorithm, an expired certificate, or something else, Tenable makes it simple to identify and mitigate these risks. The fourth thing, when you validate SSL/TLS security with Tenable, it also checks for compliance with industry standards, such as PCI DSS or HIPAA. This feature is especially useful for businesses in regulated industries where security compliance is a top priority. You'll know exactly where you stand and whether you're meeting the required standards. Finally, once the vulnerabilities are addressed, make sure to rescan. Tenable allows you to run periodic scans, ensuring that your SSL/TLS configuration stays secure over time. Regular checks are key to maintaining the integrity of your site's encryption. And here's the big bonus. You can get started with Tenable completely free. Check the first link below for our exclusive offer and extended free trial, allowing you to explore all the features Tenable has to offer without any commitment. By using Tenable, you'll ensure that your SSL/TLS security is up to industry standards and protected from potential threats. Make sure to take advantage of the free trial and get started right away.